density. Let's get started. So for this experiment, we're gonna need some liquids. So what I have is oil, some dish soap, rubbing alcohol, and some water. I just put some food coloring in there so it's easier to see. But you can use any liquids you'd like. Apart from that, you also need 2 glasses. And I also have a dish right here to catch any spills, and a piece of cardboard. The cardboard should be enough to cover your glasses. Pour some liquids into these cups. So I already have water in here, and I'm gonna pour some oil in this one as well. Gonna fill it to the top. And next, I'm going to pour some rubbing alcohol into the other one. And some dish soap. And now we're going to place the cardboard over one of the glasses, and we're gonna tip it over this. But first you want to put it in this to prevent spills. I'm gonna slowly, carefully line up the edges. There we go. So what's going on here? Why do we see all these different layers? Well, this is because of something called density. And density measures how heavy a liquid like water is compared to other liquids. Heavier liquids like soap sink, while lighter liquids like oil rise. And you can see it right here. Soap is at the very bottom, the water just on top of it, and you can't see it very well, but the alcohol is on top of the water, and the oil is at the very top, and it's the lightest. Try it yourself. See what you can find out about other liquids. Maybe try out vinegar or juice or some other things. We're back for a bonus experiment. So all this experiment requires is some cold water, I dyed it blue, and some hot water, which I dyed red. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our piece of cardboard, smack it over the top, put it in front of the glass, then we're gonna ease it on the top. Whoops. We're gonna slide it out slowly so we can line the top, and let's see what happens. Isn't that cool? We have the hot water on the top and the cold water at the bottom. And this is because of density, because hot water is less dense, which means it's lighter than cold water. And that means the hot water is going to be at the top while the cold water will be at the bottom. and it doesn't mix. But what happens if it's the other way around? This time, we're gonna put the hot water at the bottom and the cold water on top. So let's just slap this on and see what happens. Now we gotta line this up again. And watch to see what happens. Notice the colors mixing. Why is that? Because the blue, the cold water, is more dense, so it will sink to the bottom. And that is why we have the colors mixing. And that's it. Thank you again for joining me, and tune back next time for some more Wacky Wednesday videos. See ya!